The demands placed on the surfaces of the individual components used in the machine construction sector are especially high. You'll be able to satisfy your quality requirements when you rely on our innovative approach to plant engineering and make use of our extensive experience in surface treatment technology. We specialize in the planning, design and construction of systems to treat workpiece surfaces and have already convinced many companies in the machine construction sector of the quality of our systems and our professional approach to project implementation. Many of these companies already operate several of our systems to their complete satisfaction. See for yourself. We offer a wide range of equipment that we can tailor to your process-related needs and space requirements, including prep, blasting, painting and drying systems, as well as conveyor and transport systems for your workpieces and personnel. Our systems stand out through innovative concepts that make it possible for you to enjoy high levels of flexibility and achieve significant savings with respect to operating costs. If you're planning a new investment that requires a concept optimized to reduce operating costs with potential savings of up to 70%, contact us today. SLF, a strong partner.